and then you just like bring it on in and tie as tight as you want on the dress or as loose as you want. If you're tired of seeing the same old basic outfits, everyone's looking the same, that's what we keep on hearing. It's not exciting to go shopping anymore. You're not excited to dress up because of all the outfits. They don't speak to you, blah, 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 blah. Well, come over here to this side of Beyonce's internet, because over here, we get excited to dress up. If you're new to my channel, my name is Freelance Hoyle. On this channel, I focus on fashion, lifestyle. If you love looking fabulous and you're not afraid of bold colors, the prints, and just being a little bit over the top, I'm your new girlfriend. On this channel, I love introducing you guys to new and old talented African designers or just Black designers in general. On today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys some beautiful pieces that are fun for spring and summer season from NITÉMI, the label, African designer based in Nigeria. Love them down. I'm not gonna say too much. Let's just get into the outfits. We are starting off strong with this multicolor mini dress. Look at the bead work. Like, what? All these are hand bead work around the dress. And then if I turn it around right here, there's this beautiful gold zipper. You guys know I'm a sucker for a heavy duty zipper. Such a stunning touch to this dress. And I'm gonna step back and show you guys all the way it goes down. It has this tassels, like ties at the end. You can tie it as tight as you want. You can make it higher or lower if you want. It's like has like this like little like here, let me show you guys. It has this little loops going around the bottom part of the dress, and then here is how it looks like in the back. When I was telling you guys, like, you can pull it to tie it tight or loose, but I feel like it looks more flattering when it's loose. I guess it just depends on how you want to style it. This dress was made custom to my measurement. Love me a custom piece, and that's one thing I really love and admire about African designers, is that they love custom pieces, because not every woman is the same size. We all have different body structures. This is actually a very loose fitting piece, but there's some people who I have seen have made it more a tight fit. But I feel like this is such like a fun twist to a baby doll dress where it's not tight and just has like that like nice loose fitting structure to it, and that just makes the dress even more fun. You can wear it as an evening piece, or you can wear it during the day. I am actually thinking about wearing this dress for my niece's high school graduation. Next month, my niece is graduating high school, which is insane. And I am still looking for the perfect outfit to wear to her graduation. So I styled the dress with my gold Tom Ford heels. I'm getting my money's worth out of these heels because they have become a staple within my wardrobe. They just go with everything, and I am so glad, because I was hesitant about buying them. It took me 3 years to pull the plug and buy these heels, but I am getting every single penny worth out of these shoes, because it just looks so beautiful with this little baby doll dress. and I did my gold earrings with this look. And then to finish off the look, I did my blue micro boo bag to go with this dress. I feel like it pulls off some of the there's a blue little patch colorful piece in the dress, and I feel like it makes it more pop. And I feel like with the whole like multi colors like going on with this dress, I feel like it's just a perfect bag with it. I can also do a green bag or yellow, pink or white, whatever, but I felt like this little blue bag was the perfect addition to this look. I didn't want to do too much. That dress is the hero piece for the whole entire outfit. I love this dress. It's such a fun look. If you're thinking about buying this dress, this is your sign to add this dress to your wardrobe. It is more on the pricier side because it is worth it. You can tell the time it took to make this dress, because putting these little beads into the dress at the time they took, I mean, you have to pay for that. Like, craftsmanship is not cheap. You can tell the quality that goes into these pieces and how heavy actually the dress is. Yeah. It's actually, it's worth it. It's absolutely worth it. Moving along to this beautiful maxi dress. Love the cutout like they did at the bottom. It kind of looks, my husband was saying that it looks like, you know, when you go to a car wash and then it goes back and forth. Listen, my husband has no chill. He just be saying things. But look at the work, the bead work. I'm gonna step back a little bit. The bead work, it's going down here, like this little lines. It's all beaded, going all the way to the bottom of the dress. And it has like this little cutouts. And then this dress is actually, it's lined inside. You can see the line work. And then here is the back. It has a zipper here. It's such a seamless zipper, but yeah, it's also really nice. It's such a simple dress if you're just looking at it like this on the hanger with me like holding it. But once you put this dress on, honey, she's a moment. She is totally a moment. I styled this dress with my white dolly red bottom heels. I love them so much, and they're super comfortable. If you're thinking about buying them, go for it and do it. They're actually comfortable, and it's very rare that I find some comfortable red bottoms. I want them in every single color. I literally do. I really want the black pair too, because these are super comfortable and they look so good with a lot of my spring and summer outfits. I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of them within my wardrobe, and they just went so perfectly well with this dress. And then for bag, I did like this mint color Coach bag. I bought this pillow bag like 2-3 years ago, and I have not gotten a lot of use out of it. Like, it's very rare that I actually wear this bag, but when I saw this bag with the dress, and I was like, yeah, this definitely will work. And I know it's a little bit of a matchy, but I didn't care because I also accessorized this bag with this like multi-color chain that goes with it. I mean, the sales associate, when she like was styling it up a little bit with me to make it more fun, I was like, yeah, I'll take that too. But I just never used it that much in my closet. So this dress, I was like, yeah, this is it. this will come together beautifully. And I feel like it did. And I just did some simple earrings with it. And I feel like this is such a fun spring look. You can also transition with it into summer. You can actually wear it for like a bridal shower or a baby shower. I know some girls who like to keep it very simple. I feel like you can also get away with this to a wedding for this spring and summer season. Lastly, we have this beautiful dress. My, oh my. She's a lot. There's so much that's going on with her. But she looks beautiful on than she does on the hanger. It has all these like bead work on different like little squares of the dress. I'll step back a little bit so I can focus so you guys can see it much better. It's like green, blue, and white against like this mint color. I'm gonna call it mint. Some people might just call it green or whatever, but I feel like this is like such a like a beautiful mint color. And then at the bottom it has like this cutouts like they have and just like fabric going down. Mikey said it's like a car wash. He has no chill. If you want to take it up a notch, let me show you. We're gonna put this bead belt around the dress. When I tell you it's a look, it's a freaking look. Because this dress, you can have it like so, or you can have it off the shoulder, but I styled it off the shoulder because I feel like it just gave it even more character, because it's just such a fun dress and you're just gonna want to go wild with it. I also can't forget to mention that when you are wearing this dress, you need to have some proper undergarment underneath it, because these little loops, they are see-through and you don't want to be out there exposing yourself. So I'll show you some options that you can wear underneath this dress. I feel like through and through, Spanx. Wear some black Spanx underneath the dress, or you can wear some nude or something more closer to your skin complexion underneath your dress. These are like Spanx, like a kind of like little like more like little booty shorts, or you can just do like the basic booty shorts underneath this dress, but I would do these Spanx underneath it. Also, another option is this high-waisted thong you can wear underneath, but I would do the high-waisted one that covers your whole entire butt. I have mine in the washer somewhere, all of them actually. I have them in black and also this like nude color and another color, but I love buying them in this color because it's more of my skin complexion. Belt. This belt. Look at this belt. Like, just look at this belt. This is such a fun work of art belt. There's nothing like this that you see other girls around you, unless you're somewhere in the motherland. Then you probably might see other girls wearing this, but just the bead work, this is all beaded, that's around the belt. And of course, I told you guys I love that corset fill, and then you just like bring it on in and tie it as tight as you want on the dress or as loose as you want. And like the other thing I love about this belt is that I can style it with like other dresses within my wardrobe, or even like shirts if I want, and I can style it with like some jeans. It's all multi-purpose and I love that for me. But this paired up with the dress, it's such a show-stopping look. I styled this gorgeous dress with my gold Tom Ford heels. You guys know I'm using these heels within my wardrobe, and I did my dangling earrings from Alexa's Bitar. They're gold and like has this like clear look at the bottom, and it's just so beautiful paired up with this dress. And just look at the way the belt looks on top of the dress. Yeah, she has a moment. She has arrived. What? Where did she get that dress from? I did not pair this dress with any bag, but if I did, if I was going to a wedding and I wanted to style this with a bag, I would do like a nice either gold bag with it, or I would do like even like a really nice like white clutch with this look. I had so much fun putting this on. Like, I kid you not, I felt like $1,000,000. This is such a fun, stunning look. Definitely gives off like birthday girl, or you can get away with it and just wear it to a wedding because it's such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful piece. Those are the 3 looks that I wanted to share with you guys from NITÉMI, the label. I hope you enjoyed each and every one of those pieces. Let me know which look was your favorite, and if you loved the way I styled these pieces. I always love hearing your feedback. I enjoy doing these videos for you guys. I really do. If you don't know, I really do enjoy doing these videos, introducing you guys to talented Black designers, because they are the blueprint. They're just out here killing it when it comes to fashion. They make you excited to dress up. They make you feel so seen as a woman when it comes to fashion. I can go on and on and on and on about Black designers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share with your friends and your other friends so we can all be one beautiful community together. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.